In this video, I will show you which file types are supported by NotebookLM and how to add them to your notebook. I'm starting on the official support page to review the specific source types and limitations. NotebookLM supports a variety of formats, starting with audio files like MP3 and WAV. I can also use copied and pasted text, Google Docs, and Google Slides up to 100 slides per file. When it comes to images, the platform supports common formats including GIF, JPEG, PNG, and WebP, though it notes that certain types may not work as well as others. For documents, I can upload Microsoft Word files, plain text, Markdown, PDFs, CSVs, and PowerPoint presentations. It even supports EPUB files and public YouTube URLs. Now, I'll head back to my dashboard and click the plus icon to create a new notebook. While it loads, I'm presented with the source selection screen. I have options to upload files from my computer, link websites, pull from Google Drive, or paste copied text. If I choose copied text, a simple window appears where I can paste any content I've gathered. Next, I'll click on Upload Files to bring in some documents from my local drive. I am selecting a variety of different formats, including a Word doc, a PDF, a CSV, and an MP4 video file to see how the system handles them. As they begin to upload, they appear in the Sources panel on the left side of the screen. I can see the documents and the spreadsheet are processing and syncing correctly. However, notice that the MP4 video file is showing a red error message. Even when I click to try again, the upload fails. This confirms what I saw on the support page earlier. While NotebookLM supports a wide range of text and image formats, direct video file uploads like MP4s are not currently supported. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.